Anything to you?
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Will this make your babies born naked with teeth?
Oh, you already know it.
Love it. Thanks, man. 2, 1, and here goes Holden. He pretty much builds up for a living. He's got the C down. Coming around the corner, if he gets the C under 10 seconds, he's got a really good... Wash your hands because you just got nasty. Other than that, for real, dude, here's some chapstick. It's better than chicken shame. Also, since you went through, please measure your waist because you're going to need to do that. Hey, when you get to the house, throw this on your refrigerator so you remember us. And if you need anything with plumbing or HVAC, call us.
Perfect.
Hey, appreciate you guys.